Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into an important topic, protecting yourself from LNK plus PDF phishing attacks. Cybersecurity is crucial in our interconnected world, and being aware of potential threats can make all the difference. First of all, let's test our payload. Great, it works perfectly. Now let's build our LNK exploit file with Notepad icon. The LNK exploit file will run our executable file as a TXT file. Okay, build CES is full. Now let's get a simple PDF file or use any PDF file. Now let's encrypt the PDF file with password. Good, now we have the password protected PDF and fake password.txt. Sorry, I forgot to install WinRAR to compress the two files in archive. Let's install WinRAR and continue. select the 2 files and add to archive. Okay, done, we have the archive now. Let's upload and re-download it to verify if it triggered Chrome antivirus. Idea for hackers. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this information helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more cybersecurity tips.